Okay, so I thought I'd do an unboxing for May Hip Kit, which has just arrived. I'm so excited. Never expect Yodel to come on Saturday. So I was thinking with the bank holiday weekend, this would not be arriving until Tuesday. And then I heard somebody come in my porch. Mr. Dean went to put something out in the bin. And Hip Kit was here. I'm so excited. So this month I got the main kit, which I always get. And I also got, there's a stamp add-on kit this month, which I just loved. It's these Stamp Market stamps. Never had anything of theirs, but I know it's a lot of the American scrapbookers that absolutely love their stuff. So it's a Stamp Market, and it's these builder butterfly layer butterflies. So you get like the bold base layer, and then a more detailed second layer, and then like different bits, your bodies. So yeah, really looking forward to playing. So I think they're 2 parts for this butterfly. Those go with that, and I think that's the inside of that one. So really looking forward to playing with these. Oh, that goes with that one, doesn't it? So yeah, I'm sure there's something out there shows us which layers, but just to have a play. And it's not just the stamps. Oh, I'll put them away later. I won't make you suffer watch me putting them away. There's also the matching dies for them as well. So looking forward to having a play with them. So this is the main kit. And Fifth and Monaco, which I adore. I don't normally order Pink Paisley, just like Pink Paisley collections. It's usually Paige Evans by Pink Paisley, from Pink Paisley collections that I get. But I adore this. I had some of it in the Go-Go retreat the other month, and then bought loads more. And these are some of the little bits actually I couldn't get at the time because they were sold out at Hey Little Magpie. So I was so glad when these were in our collection. So it's the 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheets, which you come to expect in their collections. And so they look like that, with the gold foiling on. Yummy. More excuses to use my Mink on backgrounds. And then there's these thicker words. I like these fonts. I like this colour as well. I really like the bold fonts too in this one. Just love it all. So lots of like summary sentiments in here. Get them out so you can see the ones at the bottom. So yeah, some fab summary sentiments if we ever get to leave the house. May find holidays from last year and the year before to use for that. And then these are the alphas. They're a pink foam with silver foil, which I love. And then we've got, so there's supposed to be some other embellishments. I can't remember what the embellishments originally were supposed to be, but they were damaged in transit, so they've substituted these Vicky Boughton ones from Let's Wonder. So really like that. I love these flowers. Very nice. Can't wait for them to come in digital kits on American Crafts. And there's Fifth and Monaco gems. So it's like the faceted ones. And then the pearls. And then we're on to the papers. Okay, so this is paper number 8. Of course they've started doing the strips at the top, haven't they? Okay. Love this black and white. Colour it, cut it out, leave it as it is for a black and white background. I'm going to move the other papers to the side and bring them over. And then you've got the background of these stripes, which are in the colours. So there's the black there as well. Really love that. The second sheet in the collection, in the pack, is sheet number 3 from Fifth and Monaco. So it's similar to these, a floral background with the black and white leaves still, which I really love. But you've got the flowers, like watercoloured kind of look. A little bit more realistic in terms of colouring. I love that. And then the back is like this sequin mesh, what do you call it, the waist from Sequins. It has a name, can't remember what it's called, but it's that sequin waist over the floral, so it's over that. I love that, absolutely love that. We had a sheet of this in the Go Go Getaway and March Retreat kit, which ended up being a cyber retreat because of everything that's going on at the minute, and I loved it, so I'm so glad there's a sheet of that in there. Then we've got Day Tripping from Let's Wander. This is kind of starburst, sunburst kind of sheet. Loving all the colours, and you know, done like a rainbow, so you've got the colours merging where they would merge rather than turning black because they're wrong bits of the colour wheel. And then it's this ink splat background, and the background, the actual background as well, isn't like flat. It's got like a mesh pattern and different like neutral tones in that, which is really nice. I like that. Next sheet is number 4 from Fifth and Monaco, these butterflies. Oh, they'll go really nice with these. Oh. So, but I think these can be coloured too. So you've got like this peachy pinky background with the black and white butterflies, so you could colour them. They've got like the spines are in there in like a browny grey. And then the B side to that is like this multicoloured confetti kind of print. Then we have this paper, which I cannot remember. Let's get HipKit up on the iPad so I can see. I can't remember who this is by, and I want to be able to tell you, so I'm just going to have a look. Sorry, I'll talk whilst I'm doing this. So I'm just going onto the HipKit website, so hipkitclub.net, and we're going to have a look at the main kit, and I will tell you who these papers are by. So these are actually Stamp Market papers. So it's Stamp Market, it's the Miss Modern collection. There we go. So the papers, I'm thinking this is the large floral paper. So yeah, so it's Stamp Market Miss Modern, large floral. And then we've got these dots on the back, which these colours go quite well together. The oranges are in there. The oranges are in the Fifth and Monaco, so that's good. Liking that. Next we have, I'm thinking this is the pink alphabet paper from Stamp Market. So yeah, like that. It's got the rule down the side as well, which is quite good. Ultimate Stencil Guide, 44 sans serif font. And then the back is this really nice black and white. And I mean, these are 12 by 12 already, but it's got like this strip at the top, which is the rainbow. So I really like that. Then we have Citron Green Geometric paper from Stamp Market, I believe this one is. Like that, all the citrony colours, like in the Fifth and Monaco papers. So I like that, that's good. I think that citrus is in, yeah, it's in Let's Wander as well. Citron colour, so I like that. And then on the back, that's a black and white stripes. So lots of black and whites in this collection, which I really like. Then we have colour swatch paper from Stamp Market. This would be really good for doing like a grid layout, putting little photos on here and then just embellishing around it. It's got the date down there. Just using that as a simple background. And the back is this list. Nice pink, like that. Then got a cut apart tags and label cut apart paper. Like these. These labels, like the ones you get from Elle Studio, like them. Again, Stamp Market. And you've got all these tags. B-side to that is this like mint stripe, and then there's this one. This is the script paper from Stamp Market. There we go, script. So I really like scripty fonts. And then it's this pink diagonal stripe on the back. So there's the paper. So that's May 2020 Hip Kit. Thanks for watching. I'm going to start playing with this today and create some layouts, which I'll record as I go. Thanks for stopping by. Bye bye.